Today, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly and safely delete all your projects at once on CapCut. If your project list is getting cluttered or you just want to start fresh, this tutorial will show you a simple method to clean up your workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear out unwanted projects efficiently. So let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app. Whether you're on your phone or tablet, make sure it's loaded and you're signed in. Starting from the home screen, you'll see your recent projects front and center. That's the list we're going to work with today. The Recent Projects page keeps all your most current edits easily accessible, but after a while it can get a little overwhelming if you don't tidy it up. So, if you've got lots of old drafts or experiments hanging around, now's the time to clear them out. Once you're on the Recent Projects screen, look up to the top right corner. You should see an icon made up of 4 little squares, almost like a tiny grid. Go ahead and tap that icon. What this does is switch your project view into selection mode, letting you pick multiple projects at once instead of having to delete each one individually. This simple change saves a lot of time, especially if you have more than just a handful of projects to delete. Now, let's select your projects. Start by tapping on any one project. You can pick one to begin with. Don't worry, when you tap it, you'll notice something appears towards the bottom of your screen. A label that says 1 selected. This is CapCut's way of showing you how many projects you've chosen so far. If you want to select more than one, just keep tapping on the others you want to delete. As you select more, that number will increase. Watch it climb as you work. Once you've got your projects chosen, take a look at that 1 selected label, or whatever number is showing. Tap directly on it. This step opens up your action options for your selected projects. Some people overlook this part, assuming the options will appear automatically, but you do need to give that label a tap to proceed. Here, you'll see the option to Move to Trash. Go ahead and select it. CapCut will double-check that you really want to get rid of these files. This confirmation step is designed to prevent you from deleting anything by accident. If you're sure, confirm the action, and CapCut will send all the selected projects straight to your trash bin. This process might take a few moments, especially if you're deleting a lot of projects. So don't worry if there's a short pause. It's just CapCut making sure everything is processed correctly. And that's it. Your CapCut workspace should now look much cleaner, with all those old projects safely moved to the trash. Remember, if you ever change your mind, you can usually find deleted projects in the trash for a limited time and restore them if needed. But clearing out your clutter makes it much easier to focus on new edits. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, and don't hesitate to drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Subscribe if you want more easy, practical editing guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.